Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. Today's project is a heart-shaped key fob, which is both simple yet absolutely gorgeous. The entire project consists out of 3 knots, the lark's head knot, the double half hitch, and to finish up, the knife lanyard knot. To make the key fob, we're going to be using 95 cord in lengths of 2 feet, 6 strands. We're also going to be using a piece of hardware, snap hook, key ring, whatever you have. Attach 2 pieces of type 1 paracord onto your hardware. In my case, using the reverse lark's head knot. Pin down your hardware. This will allow some tension while you're tightening up your ends. Grab the second end on the left, attach it onto the first one. Here we are using the double half hitch. Attach the second and third end on the right onto the first one. Again using the double half hitch. Attach another cord, first folding it in half, placing the middle point onto the left side, pinning it down. Attach the 2 ends on the left onto the new cord. Grab another cord, fold it in half, attach the middle point onto the right side, here. Pin it down, attach the 3 ends facing the right side onto the new cord. Grab another cord, fold it in half, attach it onto the top left end using a reversed lark's head knot. Turn the reversed lark's head knot into 2 double half hitches. So, the right end the left end tighten up and move your 2 knots right next to the other knots here. Line up your ends, grab the third one, attach the other 3 of your ends onto this third strand on the left. We're going to grab our final cord, fold it in half, attach it onto this top right end using the reversed lark's head knot. Again turn this knot into 2 double half hitches. So the right end the left end tighten up, place the 2 knots right next to your other knots on the right side. Grab the third end from the right, pass it over like this, and attach the other 4 ends facing the right side onto this third end on the right. Beginning on the left side, we grab the second end, place it over the other 4 ends on the left, then attach them onto this cord at the top, so the second one. Do the same thing on the right side. The second cord passes over the 5 ends on the right. Attach the 5 ends onto the second cord. Continuing, we're going to grab our first strand on the left, pass it over the left end, attach the left ends onto your first strand. The right side, same thing. Top right end, so the first one passes over the 6 ends on the right side, which we then attach onto our first strand. This concludes what is essentially the macrame part of this tutorial. I like to leave the bottom 2 strands for a knife lanyard knot. This is optional, you can trim them off to get just the heart. So for now, I'm going to trim off the side ends pretty much as close to the knot as possible. I'm going to melt the ends. Like this. We finish with a knife lanyard knot. First tying a carrick band with a diamond shape at the center of the knot. Grab the top end, pass it over this top left strand, then through the center of the carrick band. So through the diamond at the center of the knot. Grab the bottom end, pass it over this top right strand, and again through the center of the carrick band. So through the diamond shape at the center. Square up the knot, lightly tighten it up, then tighten up the knife lanyard knot by pulling in the end coming into the knot, going through the knot, finishing in one of the ends. Doing the same thing with the other end. Like this. When you're happy with the look, trim, melt, and you are done. Guys, I sincerely thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope that your key fob turned out as well as mine. Thank you and see ya next time.